Assalamu alaikum dear kids. Today we are going to read page number 13. Here we are. As you know that we have already done the prepositions in, on and at. Now we are going to tell you something more about this, that is, and. Now we use this for the pictures or the things that are close to us, and that is for the things that are farther from us, and when we have to tell about more things, more than one things. Now read with me. This is a cycle and that is a car. Now the boy is near the cycle, or the cycle is near the boy. So we can say this is the cycle, but the car is farther away from us. So we will say that is a car, or you can say that is the electricity pole, or that is a tree. So these things are not close to us, so we will use the word that for them. This is a cycle and that is a car, because we are talking about things more than one. We are talking about a cycle and as well as a car. So we say this is a cycle and that is a car. We will not say this is a cycle, this is a car, this is a pole and this is a tree. No, we will say this is a cycle and that is a car. Move over to the next picture. Now you can see that there is a book. A man is holding the book. The book is very near to the man, but the pencil is farther away. He is not holding the pencil. The pencil is not near to him. So we will say this is a book and that is a pencil. This is a book and that is a pencil. That is a pencil. Okay. Now this is a man and that is a woman. Now the man is closer to us, but the woman is walking away. She is farther from us. As this tree is farther from us, sky is farther from us. So we will not say this is the sky. We will say that is the sky. That is a tree. But this tree is closer to us, so we will say this is a tree. So this is a man and that is a woman. This is an egg. This is an egg. And that is a nest. The nest is very far away from us on the tree. So that is a nest. This is an egg and that is a nest. The last picture. This is a net and that is a fish. Now the fish is farther from us, but the net is closer to us. So we will say this is a net and that is a fish. Okay, well done. You are reading with me. That is a very good thing. Keep on practicing with your mama and you can speak fluent English. Okay, Allah Hafiz for now.